Alright, sorry about the delay, the 2 or 3 days delay. Those are, everything is temporarily wired up. Everything has actually been on. The panels are outside, minus one. I had bought 4 and I got 3. One has been broken, so it goes back. It arrived shattered, so they'll send a new one out and then I'll have my 4 again. I was going to try to use that one in some way, but it's so shattered that all the cells are good, but the glass, there's none, it's dead. So we'll have another one coming as soon as they get it sent out. And believe it or not, they're not the panels. I'll show you here in a little while. The panels aren't even in the sunlight. They're facing the opposite way, and I'm getting some power in even this early in the morning. Officially, it is up and running. The inverter is on. Those are the cables that are going outside. Inverter is on, as you can see. The blue lights are the inverter. The red is the charge controller, and this little box, right, where's my finger? Right there, that little bitty box is the Wi-Fi unit for this thing, so that I can monitor and even change settings and stuff on the iPad, because you know everything that I do has to include either the iPad or the computer. And there's the cord that runs right here. You can see it coming from the inverter, and it runs back, and it is running this unit now. I don't have the monitors on. I don't need them because it's just the server, but all of the server is online and it's working. Yesterday I had it on and I did a real sloughed sort of halfway charge of the cells even during all of that rain. It managed to get, I don't know, I eked about 100 watts out of it to charge up the system a bit. Today it looks like it's going to be a full day. I mean, I'm at basically full now, and it's starting to generate power already. So the web server is officially off the power, and we're up and going. And I'll give you updates and take you out and show the panels and whatnot when it gets a little less foggy out. Alrighty.